All right, good evening. Tonight is going to be a short little night because I am going to be live streaming later. So if you want to catch that, please do. But anyways, as for the issue that I'm gonna be working on tonight, I'm just doing this. This is going to be really simple. Well, I say that and it's probably not going to be simple. But assuming that it is simple, all that it's going to require is me going to the models. And yep, see, I told you, I knew this wasn't gonna be simple. Oh wait, no, because I'm on the wrong models. Okay, yeah, so this is where I have the issue because I need this to save every time. So I think what I need to do is just this because the issue that I'm having is that when I try and update something, or sorry, specifically, when I try and update the title of a blog post, the slug field doesn't update, and then, well, you can't access it. That's an issue. So I think this is all I have to do, but let me run test, and then I will actually test it. So actually, while these tests are running, I will go ahead and test it. But sh here's let me while that's running, let me go to localhost 137 admin. Let's go blog post. And let's just edit this to a different name. Let's see what happens. Uh, okay, so that's select. Actually, that might just be an issue with the admin. Um, okay, the test passed. So let me. The only problem with this is I don't have an actual create blog post page made on the actual site. So I can't really go here and do anything. But okay, yeah, for now, let me just I'm curious. Oh wait, hold on. Why different levels? Well, let's do random letters. I just want to see if this says it will actually update. Okay, so okay, that's cool. Okay, so then now every time it saves, it updates, and all of my tests passed. And just to extend the length of the video like a tiny, tiny bit, we're just gonna go ahead and run front end tests in case I forgot about anything here. This is normally fine, but uh-oh. See? Extending the length of the video one day at a time. Oh, wait, hold on. Is this just oh, what is this? Okay, feed at doesn't show up here, which is weird, but okay, so feed is 1625. Let me see. I'm guessing that this is just an issue with the query. I'm not sure. Feed at 16. Yeah, this is just an issue with this. So okay, let's see. Uh, so this is just an error. It's not a test failing, so to speak. It's just an error. But nevertheless, I cannot read the phrase undefined, which means that uh, e.target is null, which is weird because it shouldn't be null. Because we're just taking from this. So yeah, and we have an input. So we're going wrong. Let me pull up page to read from data. Yeah, because there's a standard way of doing this. I think it's doing it some weird name. Okay, so let me just use the name attribute. Let me try that. Again, it works fine on the actual oh my gosh, what do you call it? Oh my gosh. Sorry, it works fine on the actual page, but since it's not running a test, I'm guessing it's an issue with my testing environment. But for now, let me see. Okay, so I have, let me set name equals page. I think that's what I need. Name is equal to page. Let's see. Still failed. It definitely did detect the changes. So let me see if there's an issue with React itself. Uh, can't view, can't access form data. Form data by test. Let me see. I don't think this is, no, this isn't really. But okay, so let me make sure it's actually working here. So feed, and if I open the console, click go, that works fine. And click go. There were no posts to be shown. I click go. That works. This is going to show a loading screen because uh, feed going to feed 0 doesn't actually work. And at some point, show there were no posts to be shown. Awesome. And going back to 1 works fine. Okay, so then I can access that now. Awesome. Okay, so it's obviously some sort of issue with my testing environment. Let me go to my test and see. Let me also throw OBS to the back because I want to like stare at it because I totally am staring at it. Okay, so I think see if there's any more information in here. Okay, yeah, that's not. I already saw that. And then no routes match location. Yep, that's fine. Um, and that's back to where we were. So, hmm. Let me see. The thing I can do, I believe, I can do target.elements.page.value. So you can do this. Nope. And now got that there were no posts to be shown, which is weird. Let me see, can I type? Okay, so that works now. Shows that there were no posts to be shown. So let me verify that works here. Yeah, it seems to work fine. Yeah, that seems to be fine. Okay, cool. So let me see. I wonder, I wonder if the correct route isn't getting called for mock, whatever it is, mock service worker, I think it's called. I wonder if it's not getting called correctly. Let me think. So that just renders that there were no posts to be shown. But isn't that correct? Because, well, yeah, if anything, it should be 1. Um, did I just do a silly? Okay, I just did a silly, and I'm not sure how I did that. Maybe I just changed the logic? Actually, I think I did change the logic because at some point in my repo's history, I'm gonna let this run on for a few more minutes because I have extra time. I think at some point in my repo's history, I did -1 in like somewhere around here for some reason. Really weird thing to do. Not sure why I would do it, but I think that I did it. So let me look. I can look back like, let's say like to here. Let me browse files at this point in history. Go to front end, source, containers, feed, and okay, now I don't see anything about -1. All right, maybe I'm just going crazy, but either way, it seems like I was just accessing the wrong thing. So, but actually, since we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and test this. I'm going to write a test for this. Wait, sorry, I should specify. I'm going to test this to make sure that this renders correctly. Anyways, so it paginates correctly with root with page that has stepping on it. Lengthy name, perhaps. Oh well, womp womp. This should be async. I'm going to copy a good deal of the logic here into here. And then I'm going to const header is equal to screen dot get by role heading. I'm going to expect that header to have text content. There were no posts to be shown. Let's see. You don't get it first try. Okay, that's the issue. Oh, issue. Okay, there we go. And I would call it there. Again, I know this was a really short episode, but again, I am going live soon, and I plan to be live streaming my work quite a lot, mainly for like 2 hours at a time. But I realized that I talk to myself a lot, so why not? Uh, anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and commit this, and I just gotta find the issue number and close all the silly little tabs I opened. Uh, issue number is 43, and I, oh my goodness, I finished 43 and updated tests. Push that. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.